wondered, if I lost my brand, if I lost my money, if I lost everything, and all I had was the knowledge that I had in my brain, what would I do to make my first $1 million? Okay, so my name is Alaric. I scaled my business from 0 to $1.2 million in 18 months, and I've always been asking myself, like, if I were to restart and I lost everything that I have right now, my network, my brand, my connections, my money, and everything that I had, what would I do to start from scratch? And the number one thing that I would do is to learn sales, okay? To learn sales and to learn marketing, because these two skill sets changed my life. The main thing I want to share with you in my next coming 2-day high ticket class is going to show you how to sell high ticket, how to sell $3,000 to $5,000 to $10,000 offers. And this is why it's actually better for a beginner to sell high ticket compared to selling low ticket. Let me explain to you why, okay? You see, let's say if I run Facebook ads and it costs me $10 per lead. Now, if let's say I'm selling a $50 thing, I need to sell 1 out of every 5 leads for me to break even. But if I'm selling a $5,000 thing, even if out of 100 leads I only sell 1, I would still be profitable, okay? So it's way easier to make money when you're selling a high ticket offer, like a $5,000 offer compared to a $50 offer. Most beginners think that it's actually easier to sell low ticket, but actually it's way easier to sell high ticket. So I've helped so many beginners, people who have never had any experience before, to sell like $5,000 offers, $10,000 offers, $20,000 offers, etc. So, and there's two main ways to do that. The first way is to do an automated webinar funnel, okay? So you run a Facebook ad with an automated webinar, and then people watch a webinar, and then they book a call, and then you close them through a call. Or the second way is through a high ticket event. So you run an ad to a 2-day event or 1-day event, where you sell a 5K, 10K or 15K offer, and that's how you sell a high ticket offer. Those are the two main ways that I found work the best when it comes to selling a high ticket offer. So I want to share with you everything I know, and I put all this content into a 2-day class, and you're going to receive so much of value because I'm going to show you step by step how to build a high ticket offer, how to make sure that you put everything into your offer so that this is such a valuable offer that is worth, like, let's say $50,000, and that's why people will be willing to pay you $5,000 or $10,000 for such an offer. So step one is we'll create this high value offer that you can create together, and then on day 2, I'm going to show you how to sell this offer. I'm going to show you where to look for high ticket clients, because the way to sell to high ticket clients is going to be very different from how you sell to low ticket clients. I'm going to show you all the ways to reach high net worth clients, okay? This system has helped, I've helped more than 100 people make more than $10,000 a month, because once you learn this skill set, you just get 1 or 2 clients and you'll be making more than $10,000 a month already, okay? So I've helped so many people, and I'm sure I can help you. I've got thousands of success stories. You can go and look at the website for all my success stories, and I look forward to seeing you at the class. Click the button to sign up.